Here goes nothing. So this is the brake switch from the Cadillac. So all the stuff comes back around. The Chevette rim. Yeah, let's hit it. After a quick redesign, which wasn't so quick, we now have a through locator that should be able to trace a little more accurately than the previous fella that was kind of, oh, you can see the bend in it. It was sad. All right, we will hit this and see what happens. So after the montage, a little bit of an update. We were able to reproduce the pieces that were made originally. The exception is this guy we never had an opposite of, but it's just the different bend. After some retooling and a new feeler, it worked pretty damn good, I'd say. And the Chevette rim is just the icing on the cake. Hey Josh, you got your ears on? Sorry, bud. Definitely got the wrong channel that time. Hey, Josh, you got your ears on or what?
Hey, Rob, what's going on?
Hey, you in the middle of something or you got a couple of seconds here to chat?
I'm not doing too much, just picking away at the Acadian and, yeah, trying to get ready for the summer.
No, just checking in, man, seeing what's up. Just been working on a few projects in between stuff and, wanted to see, you know, what's happening on your end.
Right on. Did you get the manual swap going on the Acadian yet?
Yeah, it's on my hit list. I haven't touched Marcy yet. That manual swap, though, is going to be pretty slick. I'm definitely excited about it.
You know, I was thinking we should go for a cruise on the weekend, and then we can start the work on the filming for the 4,000 subscribers video that you were talking about.
Well, yeah, we got to plan a cruise. We got to get these cars out on the road and have some fun. Drive around, stretch the legs, you know. That'll be a great time. We got to film that 4K subscriber video too. Yeah, I got a few ideas for that one. I think that's going to be a heck of a lot of fun, man.
Oh, nice. We should also shoot some more footage for Cut Weld Repeat.
Yeah, I got a couple ideas of a couple of parts that we can start whipping up too, man. There's a little bit of work to be had, but no doubt in my mind we can do it.
Well, brother, I'm going to get back to it, and I'll talk to you later.
Heck yeah, brother. Right on. See you soon. Grinder took care of half of it. Nobody actually noticed.
A lot of hammering for a headlight.